Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Smart Preps. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your CTET, upcoming CTET exam. And today I'm here again with another set of questions. I hope these questions that we are discussing are going to be helpful for you all. So let's start. Ajir first question to hoise amar number 17 here. আগতে মই আপোনালোকৰ লগত আগৰ স্লাইডছ খিনিত থকা কোৱেশ্চনছ হ'ব ডিসকাস কৰিছো so first question আজি হৈছে the national curriculum framework 2005 derives its understanding from option দিয়া হৈছে behaviorism constructivism cognitive theories and humanism so ইয়াতে আমাৰ constructivism learning by doing okay and innovation based learning tar upor focus kora hoise national curriculum framework e so our correct option answer is going to be option number B constructivism. Next question, the children in a classroom can be considered motivated if ketia ami lorasali khini classroom or bitorat motivated boli kobo paru enekwa kun keta characteristic thakile ami motivated boli kobo pari okay so number 1 they maintain discipline in the class lorasali khini ক্লাছত খুব এটা ধুনিয়া নিয়মত তেওঁলোকে আছে কোনো ধৰণৰ হাল্লা গুল্লা উৎপাত কৰা নাই ডিসিপ্লিন মেইনটেইন কৰি আছে ওকে ফাৰ্স্ট অপশন वाज दैट সেকেন্ড all are regular in attendance সদায় তেওঁলোকে কি কৰিছে এটেন্ড কৰি আছে ক্লাसेस আৰু কোনো ধৰণৰ তাতে ব্ৰেক লোৱা নাই ক্লাস they are attentive in the class okay they visit the class every day regularly. Question number C, option number C, they ask questions seeking clarification from the teacher. Okay, they are curious what is going on. Okay, they want to know more about the topic, the subject matter. Aru hei karone teoloke ki korise nijor teacherok proshno kori ase. Aru fourth option to hoise they come to school neatly dressed in uniform, proper uniform ot ahi ase. So motivation is the drive to continue with something. Hoy na hoy. Aru a person who is motivated, okay, an individual who is motivated will be what? Will be more interested towards knowing something, okay, the topic. Tahator curiosity thakibo, tahator interest thakibo, hoine? So option number C here, they ask questions seeking clarification from the teacher. Jodi kiba doubt thake, jodi kiba extra question thake, teoloke hudhi ase, tar mane ki teor ichha ase, hepa ase lorasali khini to know more about the subject, okay? So correct option here is going to be option number C. Moving ahead to the next slide. Next question. Which one of the following is the most suitable to improve children's learning? Okay, learning improve koribor karone ami ki koribo paru jate tahator jitu process of learning hoy hikar ichha hepa hetu intact hoy thake hoine. Option A, teacher should explain the content using different examples and illustrations. Option B, all types of learning materials should be there in the class. Option C, teachers should facilitate children to interact with each other on real life situations. And number D, regular assessment tests should be conducted. So in order to keep the children engaged in the process of learning, we have to ensure that they have an environment which is friendly, which is interactive, and they are finding their lessons or they are finding their school subject relatable. Okay, jetia ami amar classot porha bostu khini real life or logot ba bahiror school or bahiror amar jitu life hoy tar logot jetia relate koribo parim, only then we will consider learning as a good experience. Hoine, it will give the children joy in learning, and that is the main purpose of educating our children, right? আমি তেওঁলোকক of course আমি educated কৰিব লাগিব, job পিছৰ কাৰণে professional world ৰ কাৰণে ready কৰিব লাগিব, হেতুটো হয়, but while they are undergoing the process of learning and education, we have to ensure that they take pleasure in that process, হয়নে? তেওঁলোকৰ যাতে ভাল লাগে, ল'ৰা-ছোৱালীখিনি যাতে interested হৈ থাকে, motivate হৈ থাকে to learn more, to learn new things in their school classes, হয়নে? So সেই কাৰণে in order to ensure that kuntu option yate most reliable hobo to improve learning hoise to facilitate children to the teacher should try to facilitate children to interact with each other and based on real life situations. Our teacher should himself act as a facilitator and a guide rather than being the person মানে being a person who is the most knowledgeable one in the class, hetu teacher centric approach hotke ami child centric hobo laibo. We will have to understand, we'll have to consider je we are guide in the classroom. Okay, we will facilitate, we will ensure je there is a conducive environment for the children so that they can learn. Next, question number 20. The discipline which has a significant role in a learning environment is of the kind which helps to create silence. See, we are not, etu prothom option to dekhar lage lage ami gom pao je to create silence. Ami enekwa lesson kyo design korim jitue bacha bilakok chup kori rakhibo, hoy ne? We want them to be more interactive, we want them to explore, we want them to innovate, improvise, hoy ne? So if it is stopping the children from being active or from communicating, from exploring, that particular option cannot be cannot be helpful in the process of learning, right? So he karone first option to dekha dekhike ami eliminate kori dilu. Teachers to give instructions, olop agote koisu je teachers should be facilitators and guides rather than being strictly instructors je moi jitu kom hetu follow koriba. No, okay, so this option is also not correct. Children rot memorize their lessons, etu to hoboi nware. Rot memorization ami consider nokoru je rot memorization will help the children to learn something new or learn in a better way. Fourth is children to regulate and monitor their own learning. Yes, by learning on their own, by you can say interacting with others, okay, real life world or logot correlate kori, children will understand and learn better. Next question. Which one of the following statements is true about the role of heredity and environment? Heredity and environment keneke bacha eta khohai kore aru kun keta options yate diar bitorat hosa hoy related to heredity and environment. So heredity hoise something that will come from the family, hoy na? Genetically certain traits will come to the baby, okay, and the environment is after birth how we keep the baby, or you can say how we make him understand in what type of an environment we are making him understand, making him or her grow. Okay, main objective to etue hoise je genetically jikhini traits ahise, jodi kiba bhal quality ahise je the child is more intelligent or child has critical learning thinking capacity, eblak jodi ahise, only heredity ba only genetically strong hole ki hobo bacha to development bhal nohoy. Okay, it is a plus point je some qualities have been passed on to the next generation, but now an environment which is nurturing, which is conducive, okay, for the growth and development of the child is also of utmost importance in order to what? In order to hone his skills. Okay, so he karone options keta sai lo ha. A child's ability to learn and perform is completely decided by genes. Completely decided নহয়, okay, genetically অকল জিনে যদি ডিসাইড কৰিলে হয় তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ বাকি এনভায়ৰনমেন্ট ঠিক কৰাত বা পঢ়ুৱাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি নতুন যিমানবোৰ মেথডস ইউজ কৰো হেবিলাকৰ কোনো কামে নাহি হল। যোনবিলাক অকল জেনেটিক্যালি গিফটেড লছালি হিহতে ভাল কৰিলে হয় বাকি বিলাকৰ কোনো স্কোপে নাথাকিলে হয়, হয়নে? Next, good care and a nutritious diet can fight off any disorder in a child is born with. Disorders which are born মানে inborn যদি কিবা disorder থাকে তেতিয়া হলে good nourishment, yes, of course, balanced diet, these can help, but they are not enough to completely make the child better. Okay, to complete cure nohoy. Okay, so this option is also not correct. Yes, good care and nutritious diet is important. Okay, it will help the child, but complete cure eta di dibo nwaribo pare. Environment plays a significant role only in the child's language development. Eta yate child's language development of environment help kore, no doubt. Language, environment, society, culture, okay, these are helpful, okay, in linguistic development of the child. But environment is not the only factor which is responsible for language development. Thik ase? So he karone that is again not correct. Aru plus amak yate heredity aru environment dutare role or kotha khudha hoise. Fourth option, certain aspects of development are influenced more by heredity and others more by environment. Yes, there is a balance between heredity and environment. ঠিক আছে, genetically jikhini traits amar ahile, yes, that is good. Okay, it jodi kiba bhal qualities ahise, definitely it is good and it is advantageous for the child, but that alone is not sufficient to make him learn better. Okay, we have to give him a proper environment which will further help him accelerate his process of learning. Okay, next question, question number 22. Which one of the following statements cannot be attributed to Piaget's theory? Piaget theory kuntu eta part nohoy ba kuntu statement e Piaget theory kotha nai koa yate hetu hudha hoise. First option, children construct and use knowledge about their world. Etu to Piaget koise. Okay, constructivism or kotha koise. Active participation, learning by doing. Okay, then learning takes place through constant practice. Okay, C, children act on their environment, and D, development occurs in qualitative stages. So qualitative stages or kotha Piaget koise. Children act on their environment. See, directly environment or kotha nokole, children, they will learn by doing, or they will learn by interacting. They are like little scientists, explorers. Okay, and they will explore what? They will explore their environment. They will act on their environment, right? So this statement is also correct. What, however, is not correct or not related to the Piaget's theory is learning takes place through constant practice. Okay, learning by doing, practice or kotha yate koa hua nai, exploring, interacting, okay, and constructing one's own knowledge or kotha Piaget amak besi gurutto di koisile. Tasot ahile next question. Which one of the following is not a limitation? Not a limitation of the pre-operational thought. Okay, pre-operational ki asle tendency to concentrate. Etu eta limitation nohoy pre-operational thought. Okay, development of the symbolic thought ase, egocentrism ahi jay, irreversibility thake. Okay, but what is not a limitation? Tendency to concentrate. Okay, so correct option is going to be option number D. Question number 24. Play has a significant role in development of young children for the following reasons, except, okay, it stimulates their senses. Yes, playing will help in stimulating senses of the child. It is just a pleasant way to spend time. No, playing is not just meant for spending time. Okay, it is meant for muscle development. Then sportsman spirit. Okay, overall growth of the child, learning new skills. Okay, social interaction. এই সকলো ক্ষেত্ৰত স্পৰ্টছে কি কৰে আমাক প্লেইং বা গেমছে সহায় কৰে হয়নে ফিজিক্যাল মুভমেন্ট হয় মাস্কুলাৰ মুভমেন্ট হয় ডেভেলপমেন্ট হয় গ্ৰছ মটৰ স্কিলছ ফাইন মটৰ স্কিলছ ডেভেলপ হ'ব স্পৰ্টছমেন স্পিৰিট শিকিব ওকে যদি কোনো ধৰণৰ খেলা ধুলা নাহে তেতিয়া হলে কিছুমান ট্ৰাইটস কিছুমান নেচাৰ আমাৰ ডেভেলপ নহয় ওকে কিছুমান কোৱালিটিজ ডেভেলপ নহয় overall growth mobility of the body will increase definitely বেলেগ বেলেগ স্পৰ্টছৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ বেলেগ স্কিলছ লাগে ক্ৰিকেটৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ সুইমিঙৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ নৰ্মেল সাইক্লিঙৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ ওকে সো দোজ স্কিলছ উইল বি ডেভেলপড এণ্ড সোশ্যাল ইণ্টাৰেকশ্যন যেতিয়া খেলিব বাচ্চা এটাই অকলে তো জেনাৰেলি খেলা নহয় দেৰ উইল বি আদাৰ কিডছ অলছো সো দে উইল ষ্টাৰ্ট লেংগুৱেজ ডেভেলপ হ'ব ওকে দেন প্ৰব্লেম সলভিং ক্ৰিটিকেল থিংকিং এইবোৰ সব গ্ৰেজুৱেলি আনন'য়িংলি এইবোৰ ডেভেলপ হয় ওকে সো ইট ইজ নট অনলি আ ৱে অফ স্পেণ্ডিং কোৱালিটি টাইম ঠিক আছে সো ইট ইজ নট দ্য only reason for why we should allow our kids to play. Next question, which one of the following questions invites children to think critically? Okay, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন সুধিলে আমি বাচ্চাবিলাকক এনকাৰেজ কৰিব পাৰো যে তেওঁলোকে ক্ৰিটিকেল থিংকিং প্ৰব্লেম সলভিং ওকে আউট অফ দ্য বক্স থিংকিং এটো কেনেকৈ আমি ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনিক উৎসাহ দিব পাৰো ওকে সো ফাৰ্ষ্ট অপশ্যন হোৱাট ইজ দ্য ৰাইট আনচাৰ অকল যদি ডাইৰেক্ট আমি ইয়েস অৰ নো বা ৰাইট আনসাৰ এটুক যদি আমি ফোকাস কৰো তেতিয়াহলে আমাৰ বিৰাট ওয়ান ডাইমেনশনাল হৈ যাব সো উই আৰ নট এনকাৰেজিং মাল্টিপল সলিউশন টু দ্য সেম প্ৰবলেম হয়নে আমি অকল ৰাইট আনসাৰটোত ফোকাস কৰি আছো দ্যাট উইল নট ইমপ্ৰুভ ক্ৰিটিকেল থিংকিং বি ক্যান ইউ থিংক অফ আ সিমিলাৰ সিচুৱেশ্যন ওকে এটা সিমিলাৰ সিচুৱেশ্যন আমি সিমিলাৰ প্ৰবলেম এটাৰ ওপৰত এমফাসাইজ কৰি আছো ৰাদাৰ দেন ফাইন্ডিং সলিউশন টু দ্য প্ৰবলেম হয়নে what are the different ways in which we can solve this problem okay problem solving প্ৰব্লেম সলভিঙে হৈছে মেইন অবজেক্টিভ অফ ক্ৰিটিকেল থিংকিং এটা বাচ্চাই ক্ৰিটিকেল থিংকিং কোনে কৰিব পাৰে যাৰ এটা প্ৰব্লেমৰ মাল্টিপল সলিউশনস দিব পৰা কেপাসিটি থাকে ওকে বা থাকে বা যোনে এটলিষ্ট সেই এপ্ৰোচটো লয় ঠিক আছে কিমান সলভ কৰিব কি কৰিব এটো পিছৰ কথা বাট সেই এপ্টিটিউডটো যাৰ থাকে সো কাৰেক্ট অপশন ইজ গোইং টু বি option number C. Fourth option, do you know the answer to this? Directly asking answer will not encourage them to think critically. Okay, so D is also not the correct answer. Correct option is the option number C. 26. Which of the following options best describes progressive education? Progressive education ki hoba? Learning by doing. When we are experimenting with our study, or you can say experimenting with the learning process. We are using innovative ways. Okay, not repeating, not memorizing kora nai, just merely instructing the kids, making them do what I want them to do. Hetu nohoy, strictly sticking to the syllabus. Hetu nohoy. Okay, so best option for progressive education is going to be learning by doing, project method, cooperative learning. Okay, jot diki participation hoise, hoine participation hoise that strictly ami standardized test follow kora nai, okol find out who is the mane amar motive etu nohoy je to find out who is the most intelligent child. Okay, ba ranking di disu june poor perform korise hihotok ami ki korisu, we are discouraging them. Okay, henekwa dhoroner kono nokori pelai jodi ami eta enekwa poribesh gorhi tulu jot niki cooperative learning ase, project based learning ase. Okay, the classroom is considered to be a laboratory jot the students have the liberty to touch and feel different objects, items which are related to their classroom, related to their curriculum, and experiment on their own using the same. Next, number 27, which one of the following statements about progressive education explains education is life itself? Yes, education okol eta part nohoy, it is life karon learning never stops, hoine we can learn throughout our life. Khoru eta bachcha class preparatory nursery jetia joa start kore tetiar pra hike till that person grows up, okay, matured individual sakori kori ase tetiao we have a lot to learn. Okay, jodio amar schooling ba college life, university life says hoy jay, but enuka nohoy je hikibologia sob says hoy gol. Okay, so life itself can act as a teacher, or you can say the learning process, it can continue throughout life. Okay, so schools are not required, children can learn from their life experiences. Life experience will teach us a lot, but schools are required at a definite environment amak lagibo jot sob lora salie hiki ase je okol moye pohi thaka nai, baki lora sali bilakeu pohi ase, assessment hoi ase tate. Okay, then regular interval ot amar ki hoy, regular interval ot assessment to hoy, plus we have projects and other options. Okay, ঘৰত থাকিলে একঘেমিয়া হৈ যাব, there is no competition. Ranking ami favor nokoru, but healthy competition is important. We should know where we stand. Okay, khebur okol eta environment of school like college like environment he ami lora sali khini dibo parim. Khorot it is not possible. Okay, himan disciplined way regularly ami hihotor lessons bor plan kori develop koribo noaru as parents or as any other family member. Thik ase, so first option to nohoboy. Education in school should reflect the social and natural world. Yes, this is important karon whatever we are learning, the child, whatever we are teaching, the child should be able to correlate je real life oto enka dhoroner bostu ase, food that we eat, okay, animals around us, materials which we use, metals, non-metals, polymers, all these things, right? So ebor ki hoy school kitapot moi pohiso, but in real life, yes, I am using such things. Okay, ami jeta fabric or kotha ko, what type of fabric, cotton pindhi ase, wool pindhi ase, ne nylon pindhi ase, hoine naiba hoyto eniko ho pare je food that we eat, carbohydrates, proteins, fats ebur sale sai pelai nijor ghorot jeta gol goi pelai jeta plating kora hol, lunch jeta serve kora hol, tetia mak ba deutake koi dise je okay, this particular item, this is rice, it is rich in carbohydrate, energy giving. Thik ase, you are consuming meat, fish, egg, it is giving you protein. Okay, so these are vegetables, it has got high fiber. Okay, so ebor bostu ki hoy tetia correlate jeta kora hoy tetia it mane penetrates deeper into the mind of the child. So he karone reflecting, the education should be a reflection of the natural and social world around the child. Next question, which one of the following can be considered as a contribution of Kohlberg's theory? Kohlberg kuntu statement or mane Kohlberger contribution kuntu statement yate ami bisari pao. Okay, first, the theory has elaborate testing procedures, It establishes a clear relationship between moral reasoning and action. His belief is that children are moral philosophers. And last is, his theory has supported an association between cognitive maturity and moral maturity. Correct option is going to be this. Karan, বেলেগ age গ্ৰুপৰ ল'ৰা কি হৈছিলে situation দি পেলাই হাইন্স ডিলেমা ৰিলেটেড কোৱেশ্চন কৰা হৈছিলে হয়নে সো তাত কগনিশন ডেভেলপমেন্ট কগনিটিভ ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ কথাটো আছিলে প্লাস মৰেল ৰিজনিং কেনেকে বাচ্চাটোৱে মৰেল ৰিজনিং কেনেকে প্লেস কৰি আছিলে মানে whether he is right or wrong. That is one question. Then if it is right, then why it should be right? If it is wrong, then why it should be wrong. So cognitive maturity plus moral maturity. The experiment, or you can say the theory, helped us understanding how a child at different stages will understand, or you can say will show moral reasoning. Next, the zone of proximal development, ZPD, refers to ZPD কি হয় হেতু খুদিছে খুবে ইজি এটা কোৱেশ্চন হয় ডাইৰেক্ট কোৱেশ্চন হয় এটো যদি লাকি হয় আপোনালোক তেতিয়া হলে এনেকুৱা ডাইৰেক্ট কোৱেশ্চন পাব what is MKO what is scaffolding এনেকৈ ডাইৰেক্টলি খুদি দিব পাৰে ঠিক আছে সো ফাৰ্স্ট কোৱেশ্চন টো হৈছে first option to hoise sorry the developmental phase when child takes complete responsibility for learning enekwa kotha kotu kuai hua nasile hone next a context in which children can almost perform a task on their own with the right level of support by a more knowledgeable other hone more knowledgeable other ki asle it can be a person or a tool right the point in learning when support can be withdrawn or kotha apunar zone of proximal development or kotha aha nai rather scaffolding by a more knowledgeable other okay will be provided in that zone of proximal development jot niki there is a potential of learning jot niki child tor hikar eta scope ase mane chance ase the phase when maximum development is possible etu nohoy so the correct option is going to be option number B. Within the zone of proximal development, the child, if given proper care or you can say proper thrust, scaffolding, proper support by somebody who is more knowledgeable, can be a person or a tool, okay? Then the child will acquire a new skill. He or she will learn a new skill. Once the child learns the skill, okay? Once he is confident or you can say once he has acquired it, then the scaffolding will be removed. ঠিক আছে হে support যেটো দি থাকা হৈছিলে হেটো remove কৰি দিয়া হবো হেটো withdraw কৰি দিয়া হবো and the child after that will continue performing that task on his or her own ঠিক আছে so হেটোৱে হয় zone of proximal development or main idea to next androgynous personality কি হয় যত নেকি masculine আৰু feminine এয়া traits balanced weight ase okay so first option e yate correct hoy tends to be assertive and arrogant eto no hoy adheres to stereotypical gender roles prevalent to the society no and refers to men with feminine traits no that is also not the correct option is going to be has a balance of what are generally considered masculine and feminine traits okay so option A is going to be the correct answer I hope these questions will benefit you and if you have any other doubt related to child development and pedagogy, if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Do revise well. We'll meet again in another video with few more questions. Till then, keep learning. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.